Inti Raymi is the most famous and colorful festival of Peru, taking place all through every month of June, when the streets are filled with people of all ages wearing lavish outfits, painted with excitement and unadulterated joy. Our journey begins on the main day, taking you from your hotel to the majestic temple of Coricancha. Here you'll witness the first spectacle of the day. Next, we make our way to the heart of Cusco, the Plaza de Armas, the stage for our second show, where the energy is palpable and the atmosphere electric. Amidst the backdrop of colonial architecture and the towering cathedral, a shuttle bus then takes you to the entrance of the pinnacle of the festival, where you can fill your stomach with sweet, salt, or strange. Don't worry, you'll have front row seats booked in a grandstand, surrounded by the remnants of Inca greatness, where you'll experience the spectacle of music, dance, and historical reenactments that celebrate the sun's journey across the sky. Join us on this unforgettable journey through time and culture, where the spirit of the Incas lives on in every step and every beat of the drum. Experience the magic of Inti Raymi.